it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. I got an unboxing today. I got from Amazon, and it's a lens kit. Open the little one first. I haven't made a video in a while, so I thought why not just do an unboxing video. Got my cool ass knife. Fuck! I just pierced my wooden desk. My bad. Amazon, you are extra. You packed such a big packaging wrap for such a small box. Cleaner, lens cap, and lens cap, not cap, but like lens. I don't know what the fuck this is called. I know it's good for photos. I just don't know what it's called. This lens, it is a 10 to 18 millimeter lens. I needed a new lens because the one I'm using right now is not the best for vlogging, and so I thought why not get a really like a wide angle lens just so I can use it for vlog, and I can also use the lens to take pictures, get like nice wide angle close-ups of cars. Look at that. I just noticed I'm wearing my SH jacket. I graduated from this high school, if you guys don't know. So I'm wearing the jacket because I just went to Walgreens and I came back and this thing is just warm. 10 to 18 millimeter with an aperture of 4.5 to 5.6. Sucks. Ooh, I can't wait to put this on. Probably gonna get a UV filter for this lens eventually because it's just bare lens. So I got my wide angle lens already with me. I'm gonna try attaching my camera and see what it looks like from now. So I'm shooting at 18 millimeters right now. So I'm gonna put this on at 10 millimeters to see what it looks like. I'm gonna switch it right now. Whoa, damn, this is a wide angle lens. So now I'm shooting at 10 millimeters right now, and this thing is godly. It's a fisheye lens. I don't think I can use 10 millimeters. I can like zoom into like 12 millimeters, but still 12 millimeters is all right. 10 is like wide as fuck. But the 10 millimeters right now is great for vlogging because that way I don't have to like extend my arm so far back because my stock lens was an 18 millimeter, but now I can vlog with a 10 millimeter and I can put the camera as close to my face as I can. And the autofocus is very quiet. This still has a motor, you can hear it spinning, which I don't like. So now this is an upgrade. This is my desk right now. It's such a mess. I have the stock lens right here at my PS4 game. Trash I don't need, I'll get rid of this. My knife, my phone, lens cleaner. Oh, and the lens cap hood. I'll put that on. So as of right now, the 10 millimeter is a little too wide, so I'm just gonna start shooting at around 12 to 14 millimeters. So right now, this is a 10 millimeter, and I'm gonna zoom into 12 millimeters, and I'm gonna zoom into 14 millimeters. Not that much of a difference, but from 14 to 10, it's a big difference. Anyways, I gotta go. I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. It was just a quick unboxing of my new lens and some accessories for the lens. I haven't made a video in a long time, but I'm gonna be making more because I just got UEL headers for my car and I need to get some sound clips. I also have some new shit coming for the BRZ, and I can't tell you guys what, but I'm gonna be posting some new install videos and unboxing videos. Thanks for watching, peace out, and stay golden.